Okay, everybody. Um, as I said earlier, I'm still fighting a little bit of a migraine here. It is 7:38 on Wednesday evening, 7:38 Eastern Time. And here's a little dipper pattern that has played out for most of today. And if you haven't ever had a chance to go in and check out the Q&A video today, where I did talk about the sequence of events in here, and some of the ways to actually get a position going. As you can see, the market bounced or pushed down, bounced around for a little while, actually kicked up over here. It did trigger me long. From the video this morning, I was talking about a long position. It did trigger me long over this high. This move down actually happened very, very quickly. It was just over a couple of minutes. The market then settled down and is now right about where I got into it. You can see I've got my stop level set right there at about 35 pips, just as a general stop. I really think if the pound is going to move up, it's going to be a momentum move at this point. You can see that this whole angle of attack is continuing here. The market might get into this region and start to pull back down, but at this point I think there's a low enough risk for me to keep the trade on into the Asian session. Having said that, I really think the overall opportunity still exists for a bounce to the upside. The crucial thing is going to be how the market deals with this resistance point here. Remember, this yellow area in here is the weekly resistance. And prior to the Fed announcement, you can see the market broke through once, came back up, was unable to push through, and then finally broke through on the Fed announcement, but then came right back down. So as always, you've got to treat this area like resistance. We might be looking at actually the beginning of a very nice pennant formation. I'm going to go ahead and put this on here and run this one across. So watch out for this. We might get a breakout either way. Remember, anytime the market makes a big move like this, you can look for a flag or a pennant pattern, which we're getting the pennant pattern right in here. So we might get the market moving down past this resistance level here. We might not. Given the overall trend, though, I'm still not. I'm not confident enough in the overall trend breaking down to just enter short trades. Although I will say this, I've gotten a couple of emails today about the Rock Bank over in England, and how that there's a run on the bank. Anytime you get a run on a bank, it poses a serious problem. Banks are intertwined. Credit is extended between banks themselves, between the Bank of England and the banks. Which is why the Bank of England is stepping in to help that bank out with liquidity, meaning money and other types of loans. So it is a serious thing, but it remains to be seen what the effect is going to be. Rather than speculate on that, I'm just trading the position that I can see, which right now, based on the little dipper pattern, is still pointing to the upside. Although if I were not in the position here, I would be waiting. Now that the market has formed the pennant pattern officially, I would be waiting for a breakout above here. So long trades, I think, above this level, let's see, right about there. So long above 2.0044 with a stop of 35 pips. Again, this is not an autopilot trade. This is something that you're going to have to watch as it breaks through here because of the resistance in this area. Okay, again, you've got to trade the market we're given, and right now with the pound, there's a lot of uncertainty, so we've got to watch out for the whipsaws at all times. And that's about it for tonight. I'm going to cut this one short. My head's still a little foggy, and as you can tell from my stuttering and stammering on here, I'm having a little bit of flashes of pain. So anyway, hope you had a good day today. Look forward to talking to you again tomorrow. God bless.